Hey guys, it's Gabi and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me, as you can see, because I'm going to the Black Panther movie with my family and I'm super duper excited. And I wanted to bring you guys along with me. So my hair is in curlers, as you can see, and braids because I'm doing a twist out, which I'm really excited about. So I have like a big poofy afro for the Black Panther movie. So first I'm going to start with my makeup. Really loving this glow. I'm right in front of my window today. It's like pretty good setup, so I'm like happy with this. Natural lighting. So I already put toner on my face, so I'm going to use Herbivore Rose Hibiscus Rose Water. It's my favorite rose water. Hold up. There we go. I get nervous when I spray things on my face. Let that dry. I am finally getting my camera back today. So excited. It was broken because I accidentally dropped it and the lens like shifted, so it was at the store and I'm finally getting it back today and I can start using it again. I'm so excited. So right now I'm using my phone. Now I'm going to use the Cetaphil moisturizing lotion. I love this lotion. And now I'm going to use my cocoa butter. Love my cocoa butter. I could not survive without my cocoa butter. My lips would be so chapped all the time. If you see me looking like over here, I have like my mirror right here, so that's what I'm looking at. Now it's primer time. Alright. Oh Lord. Oh, this smells so good. Okay, I use the Rainforest of the Sea Marine Boosting Mist by Tarte. You can see. Oh, it's not focusing that well, but this is what I'm using. And then I'm going to use CoverGirl's True Blend powder. Ooh. I don't really use like foundation really, but I like want to like start using it, especially for performances for ballet. So I think I'm going to start using it. So if you like have any like good foundation like makeup brands, comment them down below so I can try them out, because I've only really used powder. I like just woke up. It is 8:49. I literally just woke up, so don't mind my sleepy face. Like I want to start like getting better at makeup, because I'm like not the best at makeup, but I'm like not the worst. So yeah. Alright, next I'm going to use my makeup, really Gabriella, my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette. I'm in love with this palette actually. Wait, should I start off with, no, I'm not going to start off with that actually. So I'm trying to go for like a neutral purple. I realize I have a lot of purples in my eyeshadows. Like just like a lot of like, I probably need to get like another palette because it's all like in the same family, but actually gonna start off with my MAC Studios palette. These are the colors I have. Oh, the window's reflecting on the thing, but I'm going to use my new makeup brushes that I got from my aunt. So I'm excited about that. Y'all, I'm starting over. Well, so we don't have any more wipes. Use my cleansing water to help me out here. because yeah, eye makeup just isn't happening today. I think I'm just gonna stick with like the neutrals that I was going. So, putting away the Naked palette, I'm using the MAC Studios and the Sephora eyeshadows today. Alright, we're doing this again. I'm gonna use this color right here now. You can't really see it, but it's like a deep brown kind of. Ah, there's hair. And oh my god, story time. My mom once pulled a whole like hair out of my eye. Like literally out of my eye. That was a scary moment. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for now. So right now I'm going to be using Sephora eyeliner, waterproof. Oh, it's waterproof. Ew, I just realized. Crayon contour 12H. It's a little thing. I got it in the sample in the Sephora play box. Alright. Here we go. Am I loving it? No. I'm not loving it. Alright, I can work with this. Okay, there's no light there. I'm doing it just here. Mascara. I'm gonna do my eyelash girl. I really need a new one. I've had this for a while and I feel like it's really breaking. I'm using my Clinique mascara. It comes with a primer and a mascara. So I put on the primer first on my eyelashes. It's light. I feel like everything nowadays has a primer. Like eye primer, eyelash primer, face primer. Alrighty. What's next? Eyebrows. I don't really do anything to my eyebrows but put this CoverGirl like gel on it, I guess you can call it. It's a CoverGirl Professional Natural Lash. And it just like gels your hairs in place because my eyebrows are all over the place. So, okay, I can't do it in that. It kind of like holds them in place for the whole entire day so they don't look like foo-foo. This Hoola lip gloss by Benefit. It's really neutral and shiny. In Ultra Plush. Yes. This Tarte, what is it? Tarte blush in the shade Feisty. And it's the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush. What it looks like inside. Gonna put on some highlight. This is the Benefit highlighter stick. So much highlighter. So I'm gonna just put some on my nose. I feel like Rudolph every time I put this on my nose. It's like a big dot right there. I promise it's blended in because the light's right there. It shines right on my dot and it makes it seem like I just have a dot on my face. But I don't. Yeah. I'm gonna put it down the center too. Oh my god, because the light's messing me up. Highlight. Blah. Highlight. Was that it? Did I do everything? I got it done and it's 9:17, so I have time to do my hair. Alright, so I'm gonna take them all out. These curlers, I slept in them overnight. Yeah. Make sure they were nice and curled. Some of them fell out though while I was sleeping. I was like, no! So like in my sleep, I was like, I have to put it back. So you see my hair, it's like different colors since I dyed it, and I need to dye it again because it's growing out. You can see, well, it's really growing out. Look, it's all the way down here. Goodness, okay. So makeup's done, hair's done for now. I might tie like something here, but I'm not sure. I'll see. Should I do my jewelry now? Actually, I'm gonna do my jewelry now because why not? I'm back. So I'm going to wear my gold. They're not real gold, but they're colored gold. Triangle earrings. These are like my favorite earrings in the world. Like I have these hexagon, what other? Rhombus, like just geometric shape earrings that I love to wear. And this one is one of my favorites. They're triangles and they're so cute. Oh, I like this. Okay. When I come back, I'm gonna show you guys my outfit.
This may be the night that my dreams might let me know all the stars are closer, all the stars are closer, all the stars are close. This may be the night that my dreams might let me know all the stars are closer, all the stars are closer, all the stars are close. Tell me what you're gonna do to me. Confrontation and nothing new to me. You can bring a bullet, bring a sword, bring a morgue, but you can't bring the truth to me. F you and all your expectations.
So I'm at the movie theater with my family. I'm with Aiden right now. Yo, blows. I'm single. The rest of us are, what's that called? Downstairs, getting food. But we're going to see Black Panther 3D. So we're gonna find our seats. Hey guys, so we just finished watching Black Panther and it was so good. If you haven't watched it yet, you guys should totally watch it. It was inspiring, it made me cry, it was funny, it was just so good, and the cinematics were amazing. It's like probably my most favorite movie right now. Woohoo! And if you are watching it, be sure to watch till the end because they have like end clips like after the credits, so make sure to watch till the end. So this is the end of my Get Ready With Me. I really hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. Bye guys. Mwah!